Colin, Kara. So actually this Kara, this one, alright, the nail is stuck with the thread right there. Can you see it? Yeah, so she cannot move. So this is Colin like watching Kara over there. So this is the love of birds, you know. So I'm gonna just, you know, just help to release Kara from the thread. Alright. Okay, so let's get it done. So here it is. I just saved Kara from the trap. Alright. So Kara looks so happy right now with her partner Colin. Hi Colin. Hi Colin. Hi Colin. So yeah, she's saved. Alright, that's pretty good. They look good, right? They look kinda good, you know what I'm saying? Some cinematic recording. Well, this look like a news right here. Alright. Cinematic view. Right? Say goodbye. Goodbye, Colin. Goodbye, Kara. Bye bye.